Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and I know you're probably getting sick of me, and you're going to get even more sick of me because I've got quite a few sparkle and co things to show you. I'm not sure I'm going to break this up. They've got fantastic Black Friday through Cyber Monday deals going on. So this trio is $54 and you get all three. So if you've been wanting to try, you get all three of the solidified glossy top coat and base bond and 3 dips. But that's not all, because you also get an $18 credit for a future purchase when you buy this, and this is going up for Black Friday, and it also is limited edition. So I'm going to do a mani with these, and I do not use dip liquids, but that is what comes with these, and I know a lot of people use dip liquids. I use their gel liquid, so I use the gel base and top coat, and so there's no need for solidify. I put a peel off base coat on, but clean dry nails that you've prepped, and then I'm going to apply my gel base. And if you were using regular dips, you would put a thin coat of base bond on.
Always make sure you shake your dips really well. This is so pretty. All the fierce colors are really pretty. I just got a purple one too. And this one is kind of a nude pink, a perfect, just neutral color. And then into the fuchsia, a pink even I like. So whether you're using gel base or dip base, you would obviously make a thin coat and dip your finger, or scoop over, however you do it. If you're just learning, that's what you do, okay? Really pretty color that is just neutral, a nude, a pinky nude. I really like this color, and it's slightly shimmery. And I'm going to do 2 coats on my 2 middle fingers there, and then cure for 30 seconds after each coat. Brush off the excess. Same if you were using a dip liquid, you would just let it dry and brush it off. And then I'm going to swatch the other colors. Again, then make sure whenever you're putting your brush over something you've already dipped and you're painting another coat, that you're wiping off your brush really well, dipping it in some alcohol maybe, and wiping it off on the paper towel before you dip it back in so you don't contaminate your bottles. And this, look at that one coat, and it is gorgeous. And here we have the into the fuchsia. It is chunkier glitter. Pat. Before I cure, I pat those glitters down smooth, no matter what they are. And then I take a little bit of alcohol on a brush and go around the edge and make sure I've got all the gel off of my skin before I cure. And then I generally dip it again because it kind of soaks through and it's just a little wet still. So I have 2 coats of each color, and then right now this is when you would solidify if you're using regular dip liquids. I am putting another coat of base on They are really pretty smooth, but I'm going to show you again like how I do it to make glassy smooth perfect every time. Then you can take a file, a hand file if that's what you like, but something very fine, and I use an e-file. Now I base coated and top coated these, and while they are smooth and nice and would be fine for most people, I can't take any texture whatsoever, and I really like to gloss them up. So I am going to file them all down, and I'm only filing the base and top coat. I'm not hitting dip here, and that's why I do this. This file, you can see it's super fine, and it doesn't hurt your finger or your skin, and the tip of it is a dome, completely smooth. So I'm not filing the glitters, and a lot of people like to use a clear dip over the top and then, you know, solidify and top coat and do the rest of their thing. I don't have any luck with that. I don't know if it's because I use gels, but the clear on top always makes it cloudy. It's never as shiny. And look at that sparkle. Twinkle, twinkle. My favorite part. Filing it all and making it look dull, and then bam, put that clear on. Now I was going to try to freehand some snowflakes and then use dip to make, you know, like you've seen the sweaters people do, but I matte top coated these with Sparkle & Co matte, and hands down my favorite gel matte, you guys. It is so smooth, it is so nice. The other ones I've tried are streaky and they don't really make it matte. This stuff rocked. So I used gel stamping polish and picked up a couple of snowflakes, and then before I cured the gel stamping polish, I dipped it in the dip, then cured, and then I have a sparkly snowflake that looks 3D. Really loved them, super cute. All right, you guys, so make sure you go check out Sparkle & Co. Black Friday through Cyber Monday, and if you are a subscriber, you get 40% off, and if you are just a regular person off the street, just walking in, getting online, going in there, you're going to get 20% off. And if you buy this deal here, that's $54, and you get 3 dips, all 3 liquids that you need, and then a credit for $18 to go back and buy more dips. That's enough for 3 more mini dips. And just be watching, because I don't use dip liquids, and now I have 3. Might need to give them away with some more dips. Please use my name though if you are buying for the first time and want to use somebody to reference. Put Guideline325. And stay tuned if you've entered all of my giveaways. All 4 parts of the giveaway for the Advent calendar. That, cross your fingers, that will be posting on Monday or Sunday. I'm not sure. We'll get it up. But check out all of Sparkle & Co.'s deals, and I've got some more dips coming here in just a couple of days. I'm going to show you some more specials that are going on this weekend, and gels for you guys that wear gels.
Get him to really eat his biscuit or hash browns or blueberries that he loves, but he's all about eating dog biscuits. Hey Lucas, look at me. Are you a doggy or a deer? You're eating all Penny's biscuits. You're a weird child.
Oh no, did you fall in the dirt and mud? Gross. Gross. Get out. Oh. You stinky dog. That's disgusting. I swear he just said that's disgusting. No. Really? Yeah. You eat dog bones. You don't care, do you? Yeah. No, no, don't even think about touching that. Grossness.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.